Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Choppiness Index indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a measure of the market being in a range. The higher the value of this,
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
indicator during the specified period, the more it shows that the market is in a range and not trending. Conversely, the lower the value. It indicates that the market is trending. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The only option available in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.